How to stop sharing call history between iPhones. Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's get started. First, open up your settings. After you do that, tap on your Apple ID and go to your Apple account settings. After you do that, now you'll need to go to iCloud. Now after you're on iCloud, what you'll now need to do is scroll down, and after you've scrolled down for a bit, you will see your saving section. Tap on your See All. Now these are the apps that are using iCloud to sync. Now what you'll need to do is scroll down till you find phone and FaceTime. So here you will need to toggle this button off on phone and FaceTime. So just do that. I've already done that. And after you've done that, your phone will stop syncing your data to your iCloud. Make sure you do the same for contacts too. So after you've done that, you can select keep on my iPhone here. And after you do that, now what you'll need to do is go to your iCloud drive and turn this off too. Tap on sync this iPhone, make sure that you're not syncing, and you're basically good to go. That is how you stop sharing call history between iPhones. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for